Hello everyone. Gohar here. Welcome back to Streaming Media, the space where we decode streaming tech without sounding like a textbook. So today's topic is one that keeps coming up in every strategy meeting if you're running a TV station or OTT platform, SSAI versus CSAI. Which dynamic ad insertion method should you choose? Both aim to insert ads into your content, but the way they do it, totally different. Think smoothness, personalization, infrastructure, and yep, budget. I'm going to break it all down for you. Plain simple and super actionable. Let's go. Alright, let's start simple, but sharp. If you've just stepped into the world of ad tech, two terms you'll see again and again: SSAI, server side ad insertion, CSAI, client side ad insertion. Sounds technical, right? But the logic's actually easy once you see it. SSAI means the ad is stitched right into the video by the server. So the end user sees just one smooth stream. No ad breaks, no interruptions, just a seamless flow. Meanwhile, CSAI means the app or player pauses the video, fetches an ad in real time, plays it, and then resumes. It's more flexible, more targeted, but slightly more fragile depending on the user's device or network. Let's make it tasty. SSAI is like ordering a full hamburger combo. The kitchen puts everything together: meat, sauce, lettuce, pickles, wraps it all up, and hands it to you ready to go. No waiting, no assembling. It's hot, fast, and clean. That's SSI. One stream, no interruptions. Better for live. Meanwhile, CSAI is like build your own burger. You get the bun and then you pick extra cheese, double patty, no onions. You customize it on the spot. It's highly personalized, but yeah, you might have to wait a bit for the toppings to arrive. So, what's the catch? SSAI gives you buttery smooth experience. It's hard to block with ad blockers, perfect for live broadcasts and OTTs where you can't afford a lag. On the other hand, CSAI is the king of personalization because the client device knows you, your location, viewing habits, device type. That means it can pick the perfect ad at the perfect time. It's flexible, especially great for mobile or browser based platforms. Now, let's break this down. 5 core areas you need to consider before making the call. First up, viewer experience. SSAI is smooth, no pauses, no hiccups, and almost no chance the ad gets blocked. CSAI, well, if your user's network isn't top notch or they're running ad blockers, things might not go so well. You ever had a live stream freeze right as the action peaks? Yeah, that's CSAI trying to fetch an ad in poor conditions. Next, tracking. CSAI wins here. Because the client controls the ad, you get pixel perfect tracking. Who clicked what, who skipped what, who bounced. SSA. Tougher. Since the ad is baked into the stream, you'll need extra layers to track behavior. It's doable, but adds complexity. Third, implementation. SSAI needs more backend prep. You gotta re-encode streams, align your ad server with your content server. It's a bit heavy. CSAI is lighter on backend, but demands more from your app: SDKs, APIs, UI handling. Choose based on where your engineering muscle lies. Fourth, what type of content are you streaming? If it's live, go SSAI. You need stability. For VOD, CSAI gives you better targeting and preloading. Trust me, trying CSAI on live stream when your infra isn't ready, it's like racing Formula 1 on a dirt road. Don't do it unless you're seriously scaled. Finally, personalization. CSAI is unbeatable here. The ad decision happens on the user's device, ultra targeted. SSAI, you can group users by segment, but deep personalization is harder from the server side. So, yeah, CSAI is your go to for dynamic contextual ads. Let's look at the big guys. Hulu uses SSAI for its live channels like ESPN and CNN. Why? Smoothness, no ad blockers. Same with fast channels like Pluto TV, Peacock, Samsung TV Plus. Running 24/7 streams, they need SSAI for regional ad targeting at scale. Even Disney Plus and IQZAYI, although mainly VOD, use SSAI in premium zones to block ad capture and maintain stream security. Now let's switch. YouTube, the ultimate CSAI player. Google knows everything about your viewing context and delivers the most relevant ads at exactly the right second. Platforms like Shopee Live and TikTok Shop also rely on CSA, enabling buy now buttons and flash sales during the stream. And smaller OTTs in Southeast Asia, they can't match Netflix's infra, but with CSAI and user data, they deliver ads that are spot on, like beauty ads for young women watching K-dramas. Efficient, right? At Sigma, we've helped both sides. One regional TV station broadcasting 24/7, we deployed SSAI with SCTE 35 tagging for precise ad slots. Boom. Viewer retention up 23% and revenue doubled in month 1. Another client, a AVOD app with 100,000 MAUs, needed user tracking. We went with CSAI plus fingerprinting and server-side beacons. Now they know not just who watched, but who's likely to convert. So which to choose? Depends on who you are. Traditional TV or live streamer? Go SSAI. Stability is king. Got your own OTT app? CSAI gives you powerful targeting and control. Or maybe you're a hybrid, a startup doing both. Combine SSAI for your live streams and CSAI for your app VOD. Best of both worlds. To wrap it up, here's your cheat sheet: live streamers, SSAI; OTT apps, CSAI; hybrid models, SSAI plus CSAI. Think of it like a buffet. Pick the tools that suit your system, and you'll serve ads that not only convert, but feel seamless to your viewers. Alright folks, we've covered what SSAI and CSAI are, compared the key differences, seen how the big players use them, and matched each to your real-world needs. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and stay tuned for our next video. I'll be diving into how to measure DAI success in the real world with real metrics. You don't want to miss that one.